Hey, g'day guys, it's Steve again. I want to roll today. I bought a few things the other day. Gee, that's unusual of me. But this is something I've really wanted for ages, but I eventually got it. I've kept umming and I thought, will I get some of that braided cord or whatever? And I bugger it. I went and got one of these. These are these canvas zip covered units from Festool, which now can use the tools with it. I'm just so sick of the cord always getting continually cut. It's not cut. I mean, not cut, cord on everything. And no matter what, it always catch it. I managed to sort of get a sort of coupling. I got a bunch of couplings and all that sort of stuff. Managed to work out a coupling here. So I go from a 27mm hose inside this Python into a 36mm hose, and that continues down to a 50mm hose. So what I'm trying to do is try to create a funnel effect. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm sure it's going to work fine. All the other guys that I've seen have sort of talked about them. I have it hooked up here out of my way, and then these hooks slide up and down on some guy wires that happen to be in this shed, which is really cool. It's kind of like a bit of an overhead thing, but it's really good. It brings me right down to the end of my bench here with a bit of a change of the hook. That's better. Now I can come right down to that end here. Whoops. So it comes right down to the end of the bench, which is really good. So I think that's a good thing. I should edit these things, I'm terrible. I just don't even think about what I'm going to say, but I just say it anyway. Okay, all right guys, see you later, and hey, have a great day. Gee, it's warm here today in Melbourne, Australia. It's another sunny day, as you can see outside there, pretty bright. It's about 30 degrees. We're in the middle of autumn. Okay, see ya.